Welcome to Getting Started with C++17 Programming, a video course by Packt Publishing. I am Doug Stevens, and I will be Jigan's voice for this course. Jigannathan Swaminathan, Jigan for short, is a freelance software consultant and founder of TechTutor, with over 17 years of IT industry experience. In the past, he's worked for AMD, Oracle, Siemens, Genesis Software, Global Edge Software Limited, and PSI Data Systems. He has consulted for Samsung WTD and National Semiconductor. He now works as a freelance external consultant for Amdocs India. He works as a freelance software consultant and freelance corporate trainer. He holds CSM, CSPO, CSD, and CSP certifications from Scrum Alliance. You can reach him for any C++, Java, Qt, QML, TDD, BDD, and DevOps-related training or consulting assignments. Jigan is a regular speaker at various technical conferences. Okay, now let's talk about C++17 programming. C++ has come a long way and now has been adopted in several contexts. Its key strengths are its software infrastructure and resource-constrained applications. The C++17 release will change the way developers write code, and this course will help you master your developing skills with C++. With real-world practical examples explaining each concept, this course will begin by introducing you to the latest features of C++17. You will gain insights into how to avoid memory leaks using smart pointers. Now, let's take a quick look at what we're going to cover in this video course. In the first section, C++17 Features explains the features of C++17 and features that have been removed. It also demonstrates key C++17 features with easy-to-understand examples. The second section, Standard Template Library, demonstrates various containers and iterators and explains how to apply useful algorithms on the containers. After that, the Associative Containers section touches on the internal data structures used and their runtime efficiencies. Then, Template Programming gives an overview of generic programming and its benefits. It demonstrates writing function templates and class templates and overloading function templates. It also touches upon writing generic classes, explicit class specializations, and partial specializations. The last section, Smart Pointers, explains the issues of using raw pointers and motivates the use of smart pointers. Gradually, this section introduces you to the usage of auto pointer, unique pointer, shared pointer, and weak pointer, and explains ways to resolve cyclic dependency issues. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you'll enjoy the ride.